that we met when we were breastfeeding.
Hi, Christine.
Nearly feels in happy birthday.
Excuse me.
As I speak now, happy birthday to my second mom. Lots of love, Steph.
I don't know Christine very well, but I know she's a beautiful lady, and yeah, happy 50th.
She made a beautiful child.
Yeah, she did.
Let's say something to Christine, please.
Okay, you go first. I'm going to say lots earlier on, later on, so I'll keep mine for later.
I'll need to think about this a bit more, but for now, happy birthday.
That's the best I can come up with.
I need you to say one or two things. We'll catch you again later when we've had a few, but...
You need me to say, I'm going to be saying a few things. You're not getting my rights in a moment or two, for years to come. Well, unaccustomed as I am going to give a small speech on the first 21 years of Christine's life. And I can tell you they were very nice.
Don't tell us now, we'll wait for the speech.
I didn't tell him anything other than that I'm going to do.
That's good. Are you French?
That's my dad. That's your brother. Your brother.
This is great. Christine says, nou het 'n film edit van
Happy birthday, Christine. Happy birthday, Christine.
Christine, I think it's a fantastic theme. I love a theme party.
Yeah,
I love it goes immediately from level 1 to level 9. And there's only one level left. And you must get there.
Christine,
Thank
you
you.
make us laugh. You always make us laugh. We love it. Rain must fall, that's what you must show us.
That's your job.
Draai ons.
Rain must fall.
Dit is ook al baie ouliker. Spesiaal vir Christine.
Terug te maak.
Ja. Sê maar vir die baaswerke.
Am I going to say happy birthday, darling, queen of all queens? Wow.
Aunt said to me when we left tonight, she said, how do I look? I said, you look normal. I thought you were going to a fancy dress. Happy birthday, Christine. All of the best, and I hope you have a jolly wet one.
But it's a video.
Oh, okay. Don't you want to drink?
Happy birthday, Christine. And what do we say? Anything we like. You're the best female joke teller that I do know.
What really stands out for you about her? One character.
One character. Outspoken. That'll do. For now. Come back later.
Yeah, thank you so much for putting up with all my nonsense throughout childhood. There's lots of people I must thank here for doing that,
There's been lots
especially
of
Christine.
Happy birthday, Christine. thank you for doing the Wednesday waterfall every week. I really love it and I really appreciate having you around. Is that good enough?
Happy birthday, Christine!
Wat doet zij?
Yeah, we need a hello. We need a hug first. Christine, yeah, well, Christine, now she's my youngest friend almost, but you know, 50. She's amazing. She's really amazing. And happy birthday to my only fat friend.
I've got to have an excuse because my wife got the invitation and otherwise I'd be dressed like you. Yeah, it's great to be here. It's a wonderful occasion. I'm very, very happy to be Christine's friend and I don't know where she is so I can give her her present. Where is she?
So Christine, we really love your style, you know, you've always been a real queen of the desert, you know, you've raised two shocking young ladies and we couldn't be prouder, really.
We love them, we love the young ladies that Christine has managed to raise from a youth, you know.
From a youth. I dig the get-up. Hello. So this is good. When did you guys get it? Recently? Check it.
Happy birthday, Mum. Thank you for everything, including all the fashion sense.
Happy birthday!
Can you say something to Christine?
I wish you a happy, well, fabulous next half century. Yeah, I'm sure you'll make it as successful as the first half.
This is a very auspicious occasion.
It is. Can you switch it on to still? Can you?
Wayne.
Say something. Sister. She's not allowed to call me Chop tonight. She's going to call Eamon. She's going to call me Chopra and all, you know. Hey, Christine. Hey, you've got to have lots of fun tonight and all, you know. You're only old once, you know. And go away.
guys to say something to Christine, please. We're going to edit a little something for
What
her.
are we supposed to say? Just
Hello,
like
Christine. Happy birthday.
I'll say it. Okay, I must have said now. Yes.
Anything you like, it's going.
Happy birthday, Christine!
That's it.
I'm a little bit disappointed that you didn't dress up like those pictures you sent me.
We expect a lot more from you, Christine.
Many more birthdays. Love you, man.
That's great.
Forward to your 60th.
It's great, thank you.
It's fine without the flash.
Okay, you need to collectively shout something.
Okay, what?
Book club!
Christine, nice to spend another birthday with you. This time a little bit more outrageous, but still the same faces, same places, and yeah, lots of love.
But your wig has put me off.
I'll go back.
But and then you and I, because we're not in anything.
Yes, it's true. Yes. Happy birthday, Christine. Thank you very much. Have a great one.
And thank you for getting us out of our comfort zone and making him look pretty.
Do you remember you were the femme fatale and you were the Frenchman at the 40th, the F party? Yeah, of course. You were the Frenchman. You get it? And you were the femme fatale.
Timothy, this is the time for
Share your box really fresh. I have already. Ray's had lots of things along those lines.
I'm so hot. I'm flammable, so I can't get too close.
Oui, oui, Christine, j'adore. What I love about Christine is the way she can just take on any accent, and she's always got a fantastic story to tell. Keep it up. Vas-y. Joyeux anniversaire. No, I'm done. Keep it up and don't be late.
We love you, Priscilla, yeah!
Shut up!
Gotta get involved.